in this video I will tell you how you can install fubotv in Samsung Smart TV. So in order to complete this process, I will tell you step by step with pictures how you can do it. So for that, just open any browser on your mobile phone or on your laptop and just search for fubotv installation guide. Now when you open this, just scroll down and the first website, Fubo Help Center. Click this first website. When you open this website, scroll down and here you will see an option called Samsung Smart TV. So just click on this one, Samsung Smart TV. Now this is the step-by-step tutorial. The first one is go to the app screen on your TV. The second one, the third one, and the fourth one. So just follow these 4 steps and your Fubo TV will be installed in your Samsung Smart TV.